You just confused me. I was like, I'm talking to myself. I was like, who the hell? Ugh. Are you? Are you just like watching one of the videos? Start talking. Yeah, right now, shit, I'm still probably not. I might not even take a trade. Just looking at what's happening. Goddamn. Shit, I don't know. It's just this high got taken out before it really went to fall. Traded into that 500 level and then just melted. Same thing with Nas. Nas just from yesterday. This was just all yesterday. And mind you, I got out somewhere here, maybe somewhere up there. A lot of got left on the table, but it's cool. It is what it is. So let's just mark it up. We're gonna see what happens. Right now, everything is really bearish, so we're just gonna see what we could do. So I'm gonna mark up the previous day's low, mark up the previous day's high, and as you can see, price is just dropping right now. Jesus. Yeah, we're gonna need a. Today's either gonna be a reversal day, or it's just gonna drop all day. Cause this right here, this is 436 points just since 6 in the morning. So I don't know. That's a big move already. So I don't know, man. We're gonna see. Yeah, we can still have a chance to probably push him, but we're gonna see. Let's just see what happens. Honestly, right now price is really bearish. It looks like it's tapping into 800 level. It's about to tap in that 800 level. So if we don't reject this 800 level, shit, I don't know. Well, if we're ever gonna retrace. But we got that 800 level. Let me mark up the Asian range. Shit, yeah, maybe. We'll see. We got the Asian range. We got the previous day high, previous day's low. We got the 12 a.m. open. We got this high that was created up here at 4:30, which is more than likely going to be the high of the day. If this isn't the high of the day, shit, man. I'm not even gonna put a question mark. I'm almost sure this is gonna be the high of the day. Cause we traded, cleared the Asian session high, cleared that Asian session high, traded above the 12 a.m. open at London session, and then we traded into 36,200 also. So I have a pretty good idea that that's going to be the high. So more than likely, I'm just going to be looking for a retracement to continue the downtrend. But if not, if we continue to reject and show willingness to go higher by like 9:30, I potentially look to possibly go long if we're still in this area, anticipating price to potentially have this retracement to Asian session low or a full reversal. But even if we do get that, all I need is about maybe 100, 150 pips if I can. Yeah, just from there to there is 260. So the ranges are pretty wide right now. But right now, we just got to be patient. We're going to do the same things yesterday. Wait for this to create a resistance, show willingness to reject so I could pull the fib from this high up here. From there, I'm going to map out where I could possibly look to get a trade at. If I look at any order blocks on a higher time frame, we got a 4-hour. I'm going to keep this one in mind here. We have this breaker block right here at the previous day's low. So I'm going to have that right here. Then I also want to find a potential order block within here. So if you look on the 30 minute looks like it's probably the cleanest one. 30 minute in the hour. So right here. check the 30-minute. Yeah, the 30-minute one and the hour one are pretty similar. 15-minute. Yeah, and it's right above the 12 a.m. I don't think we'll get that high in price, but more than likely, if we can, this would be a good area to potentially get a sell-off if we do retrace back into it. Now let's go to the higher time frames. Let's go to like the daily. Move this over here. The daily, we're still in this area down here, so we could potentially reject again. But I don't know. We'll see. Let me pull my fib from this low. Yeah, we rejected 62% before, so more than likely it looks like we're going to continue lower. I don't see a point in rejecting this another time. I think it's more likely we'll have a retracement potentially and then have that drop. Where could we have a retracement to? We could have a retracement to either 36,000 potentially too. We have this other big figure level. There's a lot of ways we could potentially short the market, but in my opinion, if I could try to find the bottom like I've been finding the tops the past few days, I think we'll be in a good position to potentially get along. But like you said, this low might have to get taken out, so I'm just gonna draw it all the way over, just like that, so I could watch it like that. And right now we wait. I ain't going to force no trade. I did like 5.2% the last 2 days, so fuck. Whatever happens, happens. 5.1%, 5.1. Yeah, but anything could always happen. You never know. It's better safe than sorry. I don't even know. Maybe it's just because it's just January, beginning of the year. Just, you know, never. Yeah, we were like, you got in like towards maybe October, November. Those are pretty good months. And then December came, started getting shitty. So from there, we haven't really been having the best price action, but it's getting better now, slowly but surely. Comes with experience. You said what? Hey, it's what you make it. It's because a lot of times since I have a wide monitor, I would be recording the whole thing, but now I just have this one section, so it's easier to see the actual videos, easier to read the charts, stuff like that, little things. You said what? Of course, not even a question. Shit, if it doesn't have a push up, shit. He has a pretty good sell on. That's GJ though. Yeah, most of everything right now is dropping. Let's mark up NAS too. Why not? NAS has been pretty nice. I'll give it a chance. Yo, sir, you don't be on some bullshit today, though. I ain't trying to keep on cheating on you, because if I keep cheating on you, shit, I ain't never going back. Yeah, right here, we're starting to show a form of rejection, resistance right now on... Ha! NASA looks so clean. Imagine a year from now, I don't even trade US 30 no more. NASDAQ. That's what I'm saying. Some days are gonna be clean because US 30 is just like, it's clean too, but kind of. We gotta wait for it to more like Real shit. Ooh, 4-hour order block. 4-hour order block right there. Oh man. Oh man. That's what I'm saying. And it's at 14, 15, 400. Yeah, we'll see. Whatever happens, happens. Yeah, look at this. So much cleaner sometimes. Look at this. So perfect. So perfect. So perfect. US 30 is like, eh. It's nice, but eh. You know what I mean? Where do I check that? I forget. It is Owanda. That's what I'm looking at here. But for NAS 100, it is Global Prime. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We got the previous day's low on NAS right here too. So if we do trade up to there, we'll more than likely have to get past the previous day's low first. And if we put this to 38.20%, it's also here at the Asian session low and the previous day's low, so we could potentially get a trade off of that too. But at the end of the day, we're just going off of the highest confluence. I should know that's one. It's the same process at the end of the day. That's why process is smart, because regardless what you're trading, if I don't show you the name and I just give you a chart, you just follow the process. So you can trade crypto just like this. Look, I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna go do it. And I'm gonna mark it up just like a day trade. Hey, look at this. I've been predicting Bitcoin falling. I don't know when this was, but it was a while ago. Shit, this was at the highs. Shit, it wasn't perfect, but damn near close. Yeah, long term for sure, but I'm talking about like the day trade aspect. Let's see. Same process right here. The Asian session. Mark up the previous day's low. Previous day's high. It's all similar at the end of the day. You see how similar they all move? How all of them are looking so identical. Got the 12 a.m. open right here. Made the high of the day. Early New York, early London session after clearing the Asian session high. It's all the same shit, bro. All the same thing. Retracement here, low. If we're gonna continue on going lower, more than likely, gonna look for retracement up to here, 50% of the Asian range. Just mark that up. Looks like some confluence with the fib short. Look at that, 12 a.m. It's 42,600 big figure level. Yeah, look at this. I'm short on here, but we do have 42,800 right here also, so I will mark that up just in case. You never know. Just the general areas, ideally, where you would be anticipating price to potentially have that drop off. Where did I pull the fib from? Pulled the fib from this high to this low currently. And right now we are rejecting the 38.20%, which is at the 42,200 level. So we will see. But Bitcoin's pretty bearish. Everything's bearish right now, so it's just adding to the confluences. Make that one black. So yeah, we have all that. It's the same thing, bro. Look, same thing. Now let's look for possible order block that it could possibly reject. Let's go to the hour, 4 hour, 30 minute. It's kind of choppy in that area, honestly. It's not really any order blocks, so in this case, I would potentially just be looking to just trade into the fib short. drop off. And yeah, Bitcoin marked up. NAS 100, similar thing. S&P, I'm not really a fan of it right now. US 30, not really retracing. Move all these over here, matter of fact. So yeah, we'll see. Whichever happens, happens. We'll see whichever one looks cleaner. Because right now, NAS is retracing. So we can anticipate US 30 is more than likely going to start to retrace soon, if not now. And if this is the low, I'm going to start to pull my fib from the high to low here. We get a similar area just like this. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, it's pretty simple right now, honestly. That's what I'm saying. That's a high confluence area, higher time frame, big figure level, 50% of the Asian range, downtrend, high today during London session. Ooh. Yo, get okay. What's going on, my guy? What's going on? I never asked. Mark, you speak Spanish? Shit, I'm on same side. I'm on your side with that one. I don't know shit. I took. Yeah, I would have to just. That's why how I said I was gonna learn. I told my grandma just to speak to me in Spanish, but she never ended up doing it. Yeah, he's buying US. He's buying NAS. I already know. Oh, he just went for a scalp though. Makes sense. And he's looking at similar stuff as us right now. The way he's looking at it, he was on the lower time frame on NAS, so I'm pretty sure. What's he on? He's on the 1 minute. So if you look at it like this, 1 minute, he was able to catch it off of this. This is where he got in right here. He's already out. See where was this trade? It was like this. Yeah, it's like exactly like that. Clean little move, and if he just leaves a runner, yeah, that's the experience. That's why I made him madman. I be peeping. He know what he talking about for sure. You can just tell anybody that compares the indexes together to get a trade. Yeah, you know they know what they're doing. Using that confluence with smart money. You said what? Bro, I honestly don't. I have to get him on Zoom or something. I honestly don't know. I'm gonna call him I'm gonna call him GR. Nah, look at this 50 pip stop loss potentially too. Not that bad, not that bad. But just see what I mean when you have a process. It just makes everything so much easier. I could literally just go around marking up everything, doing the same exact thing. Look at Bitcoin coming all the way up. Bitcoin shorts today? Bitcoin shorts? Nah, yeah. I don't even know how the class sizes would work on US 30. Not US 30, with Bitcoin on FTMO and shit, honestly. So I wouldn't even bother trying to trade that personally, man. Let's light a candle. It's time to relax. Friday. Made the losses back from the week. It's time to just relax. If we can get a trade off today, then that's all profit. All profit. What happened? Part of me wants the long US 30, I ain't gonna lie. If I low-key do. If I do, I would have about like a, I'd have to have like a 50 pip stop. Anticipating that we're gonna have this retracement right now, because if Nas is pushing, I think we have a good willingness to the top side, in my opinion. Might wait for a little retracement though. I'm trying to see if I could look for a potential long situation in US 30 to catch this expansion to the top side. I'm on the 1 minute right now. Pulled the fib. This is a 5-minute order block. Looking to potentially go higher. I'm looking at Nas. Nas is pushing. US 30, not US 30. Bitcoin's pushing. So the majority of them are pushing. And honestly, it's so oversold right now that it's just like, if it does get up to there, I don't know how well or how likely it is price is gonna respect these levels and just drop from there, because you know what I mean, it's like a major, even if I'm just able to get out at the previous day's lower 36,000, that would be the full trade right there. 50 pip stop loss and just let that shit run. But I'm trying to see if I can get a retracement first so I can get a little bit of a better entry. If I don't get that retracement, then it is what it is. Now I'm looking at US 30 for the potential long. Nas is already kind of pushing, so I'm just gonna leave that as is. Nas looks, I would feel more comfortable shorting. US 30, I feel more comfortable if I was to get a better long position. Nah, not the previous day's high. Ain't no way we get into that previous day's high. If we got to this previous day's high today, I honestly don't know what's going on with the market. Cause shit. 670 points after having a 470 point drop. Shit. Fuck. That would be a lot. Yeah, I think USA is gonna push. Part of me wants to get in since we're still in such a small area. Just like at the same time, you already know how US 30 been. Just trying to see if I can get a little retracement. If we can catch this expansion, there's a lot of room to the upside. Way more room to the upside than there is to the downside. But until Nas can get past these highs right here, breaking the high of this candle, it's just gonna possibly range. Because if I can ideally have a stop loss below 35,800 and just anticipate that this could possibly be the low of the day, if not just the low that doesn't get traded through until at least 930, that would be good. So what? Oh, yeah, I'm trying to see how this 15-minute candle closes, because it can close as is engulfing at the same time. I'm trying to be patient enough to wait. Nas is pushing. I don't either, but it's like, if we do want to get in for the long, now would be the time before it really starts to take off. Because at that open 15 minutes, I'd rather short, honestly, Nas, and I'd rather short US 30, in my opinion, right now. If I was to look for short, I would only be looking to short Nas. Because by the time US 30 gets up here, there's so much room. I don't know where it could potentially have that at. So I might wait till this 15-minute candle closes, 30 seconds, and then I'll probably look for that next candle to have a retracement or a down wick before that up wick. Then I can look to get in on that wick. You see what I mean? How it's like cleaner. It's more higher confluence. It's way more cleaner. Like all these confirmations, like in the same area. US 30 is like it could get shorted at the 18 session low. Could get short at this breaker block. Could come up to 30-minute order block. Could come to 50% of this, but you know what I mean. It didn't engulf it. I don't like how it didn't engulf it. But let's look for a possible retracement right here. If we can get in at that 15, if we can get in at this 5-minute order block right here, stop loss ideally would be, yeah, we could have it about 45, 50 pips. We're just buying so low, we would be catching a real big bottom. And if we catch this expansion in 15 minutes, no, I'm not taking two. I couldn't. Yeah, it's pushing, pushing, pushing. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Shit. I want to get in, but at the same time, we're so low, but at the same time, we're not so low. I want to get a little retracement first. But then again, Nas is pushing, Nas is pushing. And come on, we're so low still on US 30. That's the thing. Like, I'm looking at such a low time frame. If you go to a 30-minute, bro, it's just, I don't know. My entries, I always like having good entries, and you know how it get. Nah, honestly, bro, I don't think we will, bro. That's for pretty. The highs up there, man. Highs up there. I'm just trying. Even if I can just get to that 36,000 level, I would be good with that. If I get a retracement on US 30, I look too long. But if I don't, then I'll be looking to short more than likely. That's 100. But US 30 short, so I'm not sure. It's such a big area that I like a good big sell zone area. It's not real small like this where it's like a one area where it's like clean like this. Like here, I know I want to get in at 15,400. Here is like I don't know where I would get in if I do. All right, come on. It's this order block here, and I could potentially go long. Stop loss would just be below the lows. It'll be nice and clean. All right, we're starting to retrace. Let's see what happens. Look at it on the 5-minute. $850 level. That's what we're rejecting. We're so close to the order block though too, and we're at 850. I'm gonna hop in now, bro. I'm gonna just hop in now with a little bit of a wider stop loss, because if you look at it where we are in price, we're at that 35,850 level, so there's a chance that we could just hold that and retrace off of that. So stop loss is still going below the lows. Use a little bit of a little stop loss, but let's see what happens. Honestly, we got 10 minutes till the open, so if it all works out, we'll be catching a pretty good expansion. 15-minute didn't really engulf like I would like it to, but we're still breaking these highs, showing a willingness to go higher. So let's just see what happens. Sir. it's cool. As long as you know what you're risking on, I'm fine with taking this a little bit of a bad or worse entry, but I know on the higher time frame what I'm trying to catch, and I'm just going off of time and price. So if I can get this trade off, it should be good. We'll see what happens. We just need volume right now. Momentum. Even if we can get to 70.50%, that would be a great trade. Now we just need the momentum. That's all we need. That's 100 is kind of rejecting. Bitcoin, similar thing. All these pairs they move very similar. The only thing I'm worried about is just the open. Maybe it'll come down, try to clear the lows before going up. If it does that, that would suck. It's not the direction right now isn't my problem. It's more or less stop loss placement. It does look like we're about to get a retracement, so part of me does want to exit and then re-enter because I do think we might get this pop down, but we'll see. If this candle right here or the next candle breaks this high, then I'll stay in. But if we start showing a willingness to want to retrace, then I might just wait. All right, hold on. I'm gonna hop out real quick because I think we're gonna retrace, and I'm just not gonna risk having that drawdown. So I'm gonna do that real quick because I do think we're gonna get that retracement, honestly. And I'd rather just get a better stop loss. That would be half of my stop loss right there. So it's just being smart with it. You know what I mean? Because I'm looking at NAS right now. And look at this. And it's dropping. That's what I'm saying. So if anything, I'd rather have a better entry if they miss it than shit. Better safe than sorry. But look at how the last candle closed. And then look at NAS 100. You know what I mean? Just gotta be smart with it. No point. Yep, see? It's coming. Just gotta be smart. Experience, man. Experience. Like I said, I don't gotta take no trades. I ain't forcing nothing. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, I just better than being in drawdown right now. Let's see. Where I would have entered would have been right here. So I'll just make this like, I don't know, let's make it blue just so I see. If it just starts taking off and I know where my possible entry was at, then I'll be able to reevaluate. But like I said, anything could happen. We got 6 minutes to the open, so I think more than likely we'll have this retracement. Looks like we're rejecting 38.20%, but if I miss it, I miss it. I'd rather have a better entry. I know the direction is there, but the way US30's been moving at the open the last few days has just been ass. Worst comes to worst, I'll try to get at 850 again, which is right here. General area, 850, 840. Come on, have a retracement. Don't go back up now. This is pushing 2 again. Yeah, god damn it. Well, we'll see. We'll see how the open is. If the open doesn't give us opportunity to enter, well, it is what it is. We still got this 15-minute order block right here too. So, worst comes to worst, we know what we gotta do. Over leverage everything. Psych, no, I'm just playing. How to see? You could have been like, yeah, you right. Let's over leverage everything. Risk the whole account. But yeah, risk 5%. You'll make that 2%. There we go. Slowly getting this retracement. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. I'm just trying to get this retracement, my boy. Come on. Where's 850? Yeah, 850's here. I think we'll probably come a little bit lower. Rejected the 38.20%. Doesn't look like it's going to be a long-term move. Come back, retrace a little bit. Yeah, they're not really moving right now. Nothing's really moving, honestly. It's kind of just consolidating, but we have 3 minutes till the open, so we can get this drop, get a better entry. Stop loss below 35,800. I think that will be our best bet. Because we tapped into it once. If we tap into 35,800 again, then the likelihood of rejecting is going to be far less likely. But right now, we are rejecting a 15-minute order block. We'll see what happens. We'll see how the open is. We might get a better entry at the open. Let's put this so I don't get confused. Nah, she said it was just an idea. Because he's long. Oh, we'll see what happens. Come on, break the lows. Break the lows, please. There we go. Oh yeah, come on. Come down to that 5-minute order block. Come down to 5-minute order block. Unless we're going to reject 850 again. Oh, reject? No. I'm not trying to get in at 850. I want to get in right here at least. If I can get in right here, I'm going to get in. Right when we get to that 5-minute order block. Alright, I'm going to just hop in now. Because we got a minute to the open. So honestly, I think the momentum's going to be there still. 50 pip stop loss still. 839 is where I entered. 839 minus 50. 789. 789. Let's see what happens. Let's see. See how this open is. See how this open treats us. I need a good open today. Ooh, is it gonna go for that low? Hope not. It's like iffy. Iffy. It's like back and forth. It's like back and forth. It has the willingness. I think it's good. It's just that volume right now. That's really what it comes down to. Damn. Come on. Come on, US30. You got it. You got it. Whoa. NASA's pushing, but US30, not so much. US30, you've been a bitch lately. I ain't gonna lie. Like, come on. NASA's just always so much cleaner. Okay, we're getting dojis, but, like, don't tell me it's gonna come stop us out before it came and stopped me out. Nice. Nice. Wow. Bro, I honestly, US30 has been so ass, bro. It really has. It really has been so ass. And it's not respecting nothing I do. And then over here, Nas does everything. Honestly, US30, fuck you. Nas, I'm probably gonna end up shorting Nas on this last position. And then if I lose that trade, it is what it is. Cause US30 is just, that shit's so trash right now. Like, nothing I do. US30 has not been working out for me. I honestly just hate trading it right now. I really do. Alright, once we get to this 14, 15, 400 level, I'm going to be shorting NAS, and this is going to be my last setup. And if this don't work out, well, I'm just done. Oh, just a little bit higher. Just a little bit higher. Yeah, US30's not it. Not it. Come on. Just a little bit higher. Just a little bit higher. That's a little bit higher. Come on. Come on. Alright, I just got in right here. I'm gonna get in at 62%. Still anticipation. This is a 1 pip difference. I ain't gonna let 1 pip really change it all. I'm not gonna risk losing a trade for fucking 1 pip. You know what I mean? 464, 464. 514. Alright, let's see what happens. Last trade of the day, last trade of the week. Let's make it a good one. Of course we got a good entry. Do you know who we are? Alright. Just keep in mind, it's probably going to get moved past it because 14, 15, 400 is right there, but we'll see. Yes, sir. I'm holding to at least, I want to get at least a 1 to 3. 1 to 3 at least. A 1 to 3 will be at least just clearing these lows. So if we can clear these lows, we'll be good. Yeah, the entry's looking pretty valid. So we could stay below the previous day's low, should be good. About to be at 1 to 1. US30. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. What broker do you use? I got FTMO. FTMO the broker, but any broker that besides that, I like Osprey FX. That's the one I like to use. Mine is like by pip a little bit less, but still almost same shit. US 30 just dropped. Coming back. See, we're gonna reject 15,400. I like doing total opposites right now. This is starting to reject too. I don't know, we'll see. Damn, Nas, what's going on, my boy? I have faith in it still falling. It's just more or less, it's a time. Timing is everything right now. Just the momentum. We need momentum right now to the downside. Had momentum all morning. Where is it at now? Where's it at now, my boy? Just patience right now. Whatever happens, happens. Yeah. US 30 looks like it's probably just gonna end up pushing. Had no retracement, starting to reject. Cleared that low we were talking about. NASA, I don't know. It already had its retracement, so I'm not really sure what it's trying to do to move right now. If it has a full retracement on the trend again, goddamn, I don't even know anymore. Saw reversals all week. Yeah, it wants to fall. It's like just the willingness, but I don't know. Not really liking how it's moving. Yeah, it's coming to that stop loss, man. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like it's about to be a dunion. Yeah, I'm about to get stopped. I just got stopped out. It is what it is. Well, neither of these played out. Nas, I thought was gonna go long, short. Just started going long. US 30 thought was gonna go long. Started going short, and now both of them are doing it. So, yeah, it's kind of clips at this point. US 30 is probably gonna fly. Honestly, yeah, US 30 is probably gonna fly. Part of me does still wanna take that US 30 trade, but at the same time, it's just like, is it really worth it? Nah, I'm gonna just end it off here, bro. We just out. Just leave it at that. Whatever happens, happens. Oh. Yeah, bro. It's better than nothing, though. So we'll just leave it here. We took our L. On to the next. Yeah, bro. Break even is great weeks. Now make sure we journal our trades and just leave it at that. And we off to the races. Yeah, they both just didn't. It's Friday for you. Hey, whatever happens, happens, though. Facts. But nah, end it off here. So I'll talk to you tomorrow. We'll see what happens. But on that note, we out. Simple as that. It is what it is. couldn't make the best of it, but we'll be back. All right, bro. I'll talk to you. All right, bro. You be safe. But now, everyone, today couldn't get our trade off. It is what it is. You can't win them all, sadly, but US30 I still think has a good willingness to go higher at this point. NAS 100 is pushing, so we'll see what happens. But I'm gonna clear all these charts off, and that's really it. So hopefully everyone enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe.